Here's a beautiful classic to check out at Unique, especially in classics. Here's a 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible. Original V8 car. And yes, true Bel Air. You'll be able to check out the VIN number and be able to tell that with the first digit of V and the second digit of C. So a true Bel Air. Still has an era correct 265 V8 underneath the hood that is paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering. Go ahead and take a look at this front chrome, headlight, surrounds, grille, all the bright work up front here. Shining, standing tall, looks very good. Now, as far as the paint on this, this was an original indigo ivory and regal turquoise car, so still looks similar to the way it would have been produced back in 1955, but the paint on this, more of a modern paint, almost a very, very light metallic. It's beautiful. Definitely looks better than it would have new. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can take your time, look around this car, inside and out. There'll be pictures of the top up, top down, undersides, trunk, engine bay. Unique classiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Wide white wall radials. As you can see, Chevy wheel covers. Interior would have been a turquoise and ivory vinyl interior. You can see it has been reupholstered, but also in very nice shape. It is a power top also. We're going to put the top up at the end of the video here. Let you check that out. So white vinyl, power top. You can see we have the convertible top cover back here. And look at how straight these panels are in this car. Those are long panels. If it's going to have poor craftsmanship or restoration work done to it, you're going to see it. We do consider trades here at Unique. We can also assist with transportation. Financing is available. And this car may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. When you call in or email, you can see the reflection coming off of that paint. And again, look at the bright work and the chrome in the rear of this car. This one will definitely turn some heads. Any of your local roll-ins, local shows. What a beautiful classic. Once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Once again, call us 507-386-1726. I haven't noticed any real major blemishes. You may have a little imperfection here or there that's touched up, but overall, I have not seen any sort of, major ding, nick, scratch. Take a look at the interior from the driver's side here. Free of rips, tears, holes. There'll be over 100 pictures of this car online. Take your time, like I said, looking through it. Door panels. We're going to fire it up, let you hear it run too. And we will check out that engine bay. And then, like I said, at the top end of the video, we'll put the top up and let you get a look at that. That is a white vinyl top, free of rips, tears, and holes. And it is a power top also. Again, 265 underneath the hood, era correct, power steering, standard stock dash with the exception the retro sound style radio, aftermarket radio, a little more modern. See the top of the dash, also in nice shape. All right. Slip around to the back. I don't know if you can hear this or not. Very quiet, smooth running engine. No crazy exhaust or anything like that on it. All right, since we got it running, let me pause this a second. We're gonna pop this hood open, let you check out the engine bay. There's a look at the underside of the hood. This is always nice. Previous owners put a screen in front of the radiator, keep the bugs out of the radiator, any debris easy to clean that way. Look at this nice stock looking engine bay. There's power steering. But listen to how smooth that runs. If you've watched previous videos, sometimes it's what you don't hear underneath the hood that's the best. Battery disconnect. Wow. You'll also be able to see the engine stamp. It's on the block in the still pictures. The cowl tag, data tag back there, that'll be in the still pictures. So will the VIN plate, still pictures. Well, there's a shot of the engine bay. I'm going to go ahead and put the power top up. Power top functions as it should, up and down. We're going to put it up, check that condition out, and we'll wrap this video up. And here's the top up to take a look at. Nice tight fit above the windshield. White vinyl. As you can see, good condition. I haven't noticed any rips, tears, holes, really much of any wear on this at all. Nice clear rear window, as you can see. Passenger side, same condition, free of rips, tears, holes. If you need this to keep you out of a little bit of rain or maybe the sun off of you, going to serve the purpose just fine. Condition of it reflects the rest of this beautiful car. Real deal Bel Air, 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Phone number to call, 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. It is in a beautiful shade of teal, inside and out. This car starts and runs great. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, and we've got snow on the ground but none on the road. And the roads are dry, so we can do these driving videos for you. So I noticed the left turn signal indicator works great. The right turn signal indicator does not light up, but I hear it indicating, so it does appear to work. Let's get up some speed. Our speedometer does work. It is hovering right around 0 degrees right now, Fahrenheit in Minnesota today. That's 55 miles an hour. It's a smooth ride. No pulling the direction, no vibration. Not even that much wind noise, and it's this cold on a convertible top. The radio powers up. However, it appears maybe speakers are not connected. We don't have any volume. Fuel gauge is showing half. The temperature is about a quarter right now, which should be accurate. Our blower motor does work. This has the clock under the right side of the dash, on the right side of the dash. Really nice 55 Bel Air. GoPro, stop capturing.